Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I am Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and today our topic is journal entries for a process costing system. First of all, remember it is journal entries for a process costing system, not for a job costing system. If you want to know about journal entries for a job costing system, we also have a video about that, and it is in our video descriptions. Okay? We have four basic journal entries for process costing. The first one is the raw material. So during December, 140,000 dollars of direct materials was requisitioned for use by the shaping department. So here we are only moving our raw materials from raw materials inventory to work in process inventory. So work in process inventory, the first department is the shaping department. So shaping 140, credit raw materials inventory. Where are these numbers in our Excel file? By the way, this Excel file is also in our video description. Okay? Cost added during December. Here, direct materials and conversion costs. So direct materials here, 140. Okay? Remember, conversion cost. Conversion cost is direct labor plus manufacturing overhead. So direct labor, 21,250. So debit, work in process inventory shaping, 21,250. Credit, wages payable or cash, 21,250. So if we go here, they are here in the $68,000. So 21,250 direct labor. Okay. Later, let's move on. Manufacturing overhead. The shaping department overhead rate is $50 per machine hour, and the department uses 935 machine hours. So 50 times 935, 46,750. And here we are talking about rate, overhead rate. So we are talking about estimated numbers, not actual numbers. So our journal entry will be work in process inventory shaping credit manufacturing overhead. Why not credit cash? Because the actual manufacturing overhead, we will be talking about cash. So when we pay them with debit, manufacturing overhead and credit, cash or utilities payable or accounts payable or anything else payable. Okay? So 46,550, 46,500, 750 manufacturing overhead. If we combine them, we will have the $68,000. Okay? Did it. And the last one, we finished it, we finished the shaping, and we are moving these products completed transferred out to insertion department. So Scarping Corporation determined that 224,675 should be assigned to the units completed and transferred out to the insertion department. So we are moving from one working process inventory to the other working process inventory. So working process inventory, insertion, working process inventory, shaping. And these numbers, if we go to our Excel file, they are here. They are these numbers here. Cost assigned to units completed and transferred out. These 224,675. Okay, guys, so thank you. If you have questions or comments, uh, leave a message in on this video or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Please uh, subscribe our channel and like this video. Have a very nice day.